Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica, and today I'm going to show you how to use old school printer labels as stickers for your junk journal. I did this on a whim while I was teaching a junk journal class, and now I am obsessed. So I found these Avery round labels in my stash. I'm so glad I didn't throw them away. You never know when you're going to need things, right? So all I did was I used my Tombow brush markers. You can use any kind of markers and just randomly color all over the sheet. Do not worry about where the labels are, because that is the beauty of this, is that each label will be its own little masterpiece. So after you're done laying down all of the color, go in with some fine liner tips. I had some really cool stamp markers that I bought at Five Below in the little shape of hearts and lightning bolts and stars. I used those all over. I used acrylic paints, pens, metallic pens, glitter pens, anything that will not get in the way of lifting the sticker off of the sheet. So then I got excited and I did something different. This one I just did all different color strokes of the brush markers, and I used a stamp. Well, I created this little stamp collection for my Crafty Chica stamps, and you can see on the edge there I had a couple fails, but overall it came out good. So definitely tape down your paper when you do this so it won't slide, and you want to stamp on a stamp pad or a magazine. But once you're all done, this is a really cool collage sheet full of little stickers. Then I got excited again because I found some clear labels that I used to sell candles, so I had these to print the labels, and I thought, well, if they can work on an inkjet printer and not smear, they should be able to take this ink. And this is not StazOn ink. See where it slid a little bit? If you're gonna do this, tape down your paper so that it won't slip. But you know what? This is a regular ink pad and it worked. I did have to let it dry, put it in front of the fan for a few minutes to make sure it was fully dry, and then it did not smear at all. And look at this cool clear sheet of stickers. Okay, so now what are we gonna do with these? Oh, here's one more with the clear sheets. This one I used acrylic paint pens, and I did the same thing. I just went over the clear with different swatches of color. I was getting a little burnt out, so I just pushed through. Do you ever get that? Like, you get an idea, you love it, and then you go hard and then you get burnt out. Anyway, so let's try these big round ones on one of the pages in my Hobonichi journal. Oh, they came out so juicy and colorful. I definitely want to do this pattern again. However, I do like the smaller stickers better. I felt like they were easier to work with in my journal. These are the clear stickers with the acrylic paint, and this is my favorite. This is using the brush markers, and you can see just how vibrant they are. And see the smaller stickers? It's more compact on a smaller page to make your pictures and your embellishments stand out more. The bigger stickers were a little bit harder to work with, but we're going to fix that. I'm still working on embellishing and decorating. So here's a full page of the little stickers, labels I should say. Here's a junk journal page I was working on with the clear labels, and I like the little window areas to put in small stickers. After I put all the stickers down, I went in with my glitter pens and I did some patterns all over to fill the space, and then I outlined everything. So I hope you like this project. Let me know if you try it. Check through your stash and see if you have any of these labels, because they're really, really fun to use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this project, and visit craftychica.com for even more tutorials.